Good afternoon to all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. May Allah, peace, mercy, and blessing be all upon you. This is Zakaria Mahmood before you, and I am honored to be here today. The farewell ritual organized by MA Department of English of Bal Badr Alam Gopt College. First of all, thanks a bunch to my dear friends Mr. Arif Hussain for giving me such a nice floor in this beautiful moment. Afterwards, I would like to give a bunch of thanks to my honorable teachers who have flourished the occasion presenting here. Furthermore, exceptional thanks to our chief guest and department head, Professor Niranjan Bishar sir. Eventually, I will be in debt if I don't be thankful to my innocent comrades who have diversely decorated and fulfilled the occasion, as well as English department, not only today, but also last several years. What is more, we would hardly have this sort of nice moment without having both of you. Nevertheless, now I'm going to start my portion with the recitation of 7 verses of Surah Hamim. Thanks to all. Thank you so much.